After you watch the first video, I explain about how to solve the formative. Right now, I will show to you this new activity, how to do it, the new exercise. Please follow my lead to understand every step here. As I told you guys before, this class we had the same pattern as the previous one. Why? Because the exercise looks like a lot. It's kind of different, but you will see it's essentially is the same. Okay? The first thing, as I told you, as you can see here, I'm sharing my screen with you and you can see it. We have here, just for you understanding, we have all the activities here. Oh, let me introduce you again the video. Sorry guys, let me, here it's sharing everything. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I share with you the tab with all the formulas. Here's all the formulas you need to see. Here is the all formulas. We have all formulas here and you can see it. It's very interesting to understand the formulas, what you need to work. After the formulas, we have this stuff here. Let me see here and solve again about this. We have the first exercise, the first one, it is at an archaeological site, the remains of two ancient step pyramids are congruent. It's the same exercise, guys, the same exercise we had already, the first one. The two new things here, it is find the quotient. When I talk to you guys, find the quotient, I would like to see the fraction. Okay, mister, what is the fraction here? It is EF distance. EF distance, it is 45. Let me write here. It is 45. As we know, 45. It is the EF distance. 45 over what, mister? Over the other distance. The other one is AD. AD is 335. 335. Great. Here is the other distance we're talking about, 335. How can we solve this one? Divided by 5. Oh, yes, we did just divide by 5. Yes, divide by 5. Dividing by 5, the first one, and divide by 5, the numerator and denominator. Great. What is the solution? 45 divided by 5, it is 9. 9. 335 divided by 5, it is 33. It will be 6. Yes. 37, 67. 67. 67. Oh, because it's the quotient. But, mister, can I show to you the reduce, solving the problem as a decimal? Yes, you can do it. As you can see here, the calculator, you can, if you show me this 145 divided by 335, that's why I told you to use calculator. Oh, miss, there's a bunch of numbers here. Just use the first one. 0.13. Okay, 0.13. It's enough to meet you. Okay, and the result here for the first one, it is 9 over 67, or, oops, or 0.13. Okay, for the fraction. And angle A and angle F, we figure out 2, and you can write as a fraction. Angle A, define the fraction of angle A and angle F is the same thing we did before. Angle A, as you notice, is 52, sorry, divided by angle F. Angle F, it is 100 and, let me see, 128. 128. If you we can solve these fractions, we can solve this one just dividing by 2. 52 divided by 2, guys, it is 21. Oh, sorry, it will be 26. 26 over 128 divided by 2, it is 64. Oh, mister, we can divide again. Okay, let's do it. Divide again, it will be 13 divided by 64 divided by 2, it is 32. Oh, mister. Nice. Can I divide again? You cannot. I'm doing this D right now. Okay, this first one was B. Let me write here. It one was B. And the other one here, it was letter D. D. Okay? All the others we solved already. Okay, guys? We solved already the other ones. Right now here, yes? B. Find the quotient. Is here. Find the quotient is just this one here I'm showing to you. It is 45 divided by 335. Great. Why? Oh, why is the quotient? 45, it is because, nice, no problem. Okay, no problem. Why 45? Because here the distance EF, I think you watched the video, EF here is the same as AB. It's the same. 45. Nice. And 335 is the same thing. EH is the same thing for AT. And the yes, so for you divide by 5 here just for simplify the fraction. Okay, that's we divide this 145 by 335 because they are asking us find the quotient. That's it. Why is a fraction? No problem. If you didn't with the fraction, you can use the calculator to divide. 45 divided by 335 is 0.13. That's why I told you. You can use this stuff too. Okay, the quotient is the result. 45 divided 335 parts. Okay? That's why. And 13 divided by 32 in calculator. Let's do it. 13 divided by 32. If you want to give me this answer, no problem too. 0.4625 or 0 and here's point. Okay, 4625. Okay, guys, here's the solution for letter A. 2, guys, the 2 is so easy to solve. Oh, mister, how? This one you need to sketch a perimeter of rectangle. I know the perimeter formula. The perimeter formula, it is adding all the sides for the rectangle. I have 2 lengths, 2 equals lengths plus 2 equals width. Okay, I need to figure out a number that I adding together all sides. I got a 21.7. Oh, mister, how can I solve this one? For example, you label your length as 5 centimeter. Okay, I label already my length is 5 centimeter. Then let's solve here. 21.7 equals 2 times length. My length is 5. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 plus 2 times width. I don't know the width yet. Okay, 2 times 5 it is 10. Okay, it is 21.7 plus 2 times width. Okay, guys, right now I need to figure out a number that I multiply by 2 and add with 10 to got a 21.7. Okay, mister, then I need a number like 11.7. I need 11.7. But I need 11.7 divided by 2 because it's 2 times. Then use the calculator again. That's why I told you to use calculator. 11.7 divided by 2. The result 5.85. And here it is 5.85. Yes? The other. Here you just guess one. Like, oh, mister, can I guess here number 3? Yes. You guess here, for example, number 3. For example, you guess number 3. I know 3 plus 3, because I have two lengths, it is 6. I need a number plus 6, twice times the number, 2 times the number, plus 6, it is equals 21.7. Let me guess here. 21.7, calculator again, return to calculator. 21.7 minus 6, it is, oops, let me just return it again. 21.7 minus 6 is 15.7. I need a number times 2 is 15.7. Divided by 2 this number. And 7.85. Okay, 7.85. And we have the perimeter equals 21.7. And so on, okay, Maho? We can guess a lot of numbers here. Oh, mister, can I guess another? Yes, you can guess here number 2. If I guess number 2 here, here will be number 8.85. You did not understand this one? No? This one is just repeating pattern, okay? Just adding here. 2 times 2, it is 4. 4. 2 times 2, it is 4. Okay? I need a number that I add the width, 2 times width, the result will be 21.7. I'm looking for the result. Remember, I'm looking for the result. We can, yes? Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh, I will check after. Don't worry. Guys, let's go ahead here. Olivia, did you understand? Any question? Okay. The most important thing here, guess the first number and figure out the other one. Remember, you add 2 times here, this number you guess it, plus 2 times the other number you need to figure out. And the result must be 21.7. Great, guys. Let's go ahead here. Let me show more examples here. This one, number 3. Number 3 is very interesting. Some students was falling behind problems over here. To find the perimeter, guys, remember, here is my sandbox. Draw it again with all sides. Okay, let me draw it again. Okay, it's not perfect, guys, just for a sketch. Here is 6, here is 9, here is 4, and here is 6. But mister, we have 2. We have 2, guys. As you notice, we don't have this information here and this one. We need these 2. Don't forget it. Who is this? It is 6 this side here, it is 6 here, and it is 4 here. How much is left to get a 6 for this right hand side? It is 2. Here is 2. And here's the same thing in the length. I have 9 in the base here and I have 6 here. I have 9 here and 6 here. How much is left? Here is left 3. That's why. And add everything. Add all sides the perimeter. It is 6 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. That's why. Great, guys. Let's go ahead here. 6 plus 9, 15. 4 plus 6, 10. 2 plus 3, 5. 15 plus 10 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 10, it would be 30. 30, whatever, unit. Here is centimeter, whatever unit is there. Okay, guys, just 30. And the area, guys, the area is easy too. Imagine you have two, imagine me with me here, guys. You have two rectangles. I'm just drawing an imaginary line over here. Okay, guys, I just drawing an imaginary line over here. Wait, I have one rectangle, rectangle number 1, rectangle number 2. Rectangle number 1, I have the base is 6, the height is 4. It is 6 times 4 plus the other rectangle. The other one, it is 6 times 3. 6 times 3. 6 times 4, 24. Plus 6 times 3, 18. 24 plus 18, I borrow 2 here, will be 42 units square. The area is 42 and the perimeter it is 30. Great, guys. Remember to do that thing. Number 4, are we finished? Number 4, guys, just solve it, okay? How can we solve this one, mister? Guys, I told you, it's very important to use the formula. You can go over the formula. It is base times height. It is a half base times height. Base times height. Okay, who is my half? My half is from formula. My base, okay, guys, my base here is the same thing to say divided by 2, okay, guys, the half times a half. My base is 28.7. 28.7. And who is my height? 19.1. 19. Okay, guys, use calculator. Okay, mister, can we use calculator? Yes, you can. The calculator, it is 28.7 times 19.1. We have a result and we divide by 2 the result. And it is 274 and 85,000. Do we have this question? Yes, 274 and 85,000. Great. Number 5 is the same thing. Number 5, for my base, 11.3. 11.3. My height is the imaginary line. Guys, remember I told you, the base and the height always will have a right angle, as you can see here. Mister, but the right angle is outside the figure. Doesn't matter. But I can recognize where is my base and where is my height. Great, 11.3 times 5.25. 5.25 times a half. A half is exactly divided by 2. Dividing by 2. It is 29.8885. Okay, or 29 and 8,885 10,000 is here. Great. Number 6, guys. Number 6 is very cool. I like number 6 because why, mister, you like number 6? Number 6 we have, yes? Yes, no problem. Yes, I will explain to you guys after because I have a problem with this. I will show to you, okay, about the points. Guys, here, as you notice, I have a figure, very cool figure. It is a trapezoid, but this trapezoid, I have a triangle, rectangle, and another triangle. Oh, mister, so cool. How can you solve this one? It's up to you. Some students solve the triangle area and after the rectangle area and adding up everything. Some students use the trapezoid formula. I will use the trapezoid formula. The trapezoid formula, I need to figure out my base number 1. My base number 1, guys, is 16 plus 20 plus 16, the biggest one. 16 plus 20 plus 16, it will be 52 millimeters. My base number 2 is the other one. It is 20 millimeters. And my height is 12 millimeters. And the formula, guys, I think you remember, the area of trapezoid, it is a half times height times base 1 plus base 2. Let's use the numbers right now. A half times 12 times base 1, 52. Base 2, 20. A half of 12. Oops, let me just, it's not 16. Here is 12. Okay. A half of 12, it is 6. It is 6. Okay, guys? 6 times what? 52 plus 20, 72. And let's return to calculator, guys. 6 times 72, 432. 432 what? Millimeters squared. Great. We finish number 6. Number 7. Number 7 is that one about fractions you asked me. Great. This one, guys, I have the trapezoid formula. I think everybody remember. I just put over here. The trapezoid formula, it is a half times height times base 1 plus base 2. Let's solve right now. Who is my height? My height is 2 and 1/5. It is mixed number, guys. Remember to convert it to improper fraction. 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11/5. 11/5. Great. The base number 1, 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 4, it is 13/3. And the last one, 5 times 4, 20, plus 3, 23/4. And here is my numbers as improper fraction. Remember to do it, okay, guys? Let's do it. A half of my height is 11/5 times 11/5 plus base number 1. My base number 1 is 13/3. My base number 2, mister, it is 23/4. Okay, let's solve right now. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. It is 11/10. 11/10 times what, mister? Here we have different denominator. We need to find a common denominator. The common denominator here is 12. 3 times 4, 12. Cross multiply. 13 times 4. 13 times 4, it is 52. Okay, 4 times 3, 12. Carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1, 5. Plus 23 times 3, it will be 69. And solving this stuff, guys, I don't have enough room here, right over here. 11/10 times what? 52 plus 69. 9 plus 2 will be 11. Carry 1. 7 plus 5. It will be 7 plus 5, 12. 121. 121/12. And right now let's multiply. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. It is 11 times 121. Calculator again. 11 times 121. It is 1,331. 1,331. Over 10 times 12, 120. Woo, we finish. Here is the area. The area here is improper fraction. Mister, can I solve this one? Yes, in decimals? Yes, if you want it. In decimals, guys, just divide it. 1,331 divided by 120. It is 11.09. Okay, 11.09 square centimeters. Yes? From the formula, I add here 13/3 plus 23/4 from the formula. Base 1 plus base 2. Great. Guys, mister, I want to write as a mixed number. You can. 1,331 divided by 120. Oh, can I do it? Yes. How many times 120 goes to 1? 0. How many times 120 goes to 13? 0. How many times 120 goes to 133? It goes 1 time. And 133 minus 120, it is 113. And 1 here. Oh, mister, 1 again. Yes. 131 minus 1. 131 minus 120, it would be 11. Oh, mister, and here's my mixed number. 11 is the whole number, because here's the quotient. My numerator will be 11 again. My denominator, 120. And here is the solution. for this one as a mixed number. Great. Centimeters squared, don't forget the unit, okay? We finished this one. Let's go ahead. Don't worry, I will share with you guys everything, especially the video about this one. Guys, number 8, number 9, and number 10, I solved already in the other video. Okay? Number 8, number 9, and number 10, I solved it already in the other video. Okay, guys? I hope you understand this stuff. It's very important you know how to solve this stuff. Great.